Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it, now you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back, empties.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Barry J, and I am back once again with another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit simple. Get ready with me. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. I'm talking so fast right now because I'm literally getting ready for work right now, and I do have to go. So sorry, but yeah, hope you guys heard what I said. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I like using this method because I have dark eyelids, and this just helps the eyeshadows pop a little bit more. Right here I'm setting it with the Ben Nye powder in the color Banana. So I'm using my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm starting off with that mugshot color as a translucent shade. You're just gonna, like, in a windshield motion, kind of swipe that on the top part of your eyelids. The same palette, I'm using that orange that's named Alert to kind of put on top of that mugshot color from the palette. Using the color Secret, I'm going to dab that color onto the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to move it so that it can form a wing kind of shape at the end of my eyelid. From this angle, you could see how I'm dabbing it on to give it a wing kind of look. From the same palette, I'm going to use that color Boom, starting from the inner part of my eyelid, swiping it across all the colors. Now I'm going to come in with my favorite foundation, NARS, in the color New Caledonia. Right now I'm just making sure I cover every part of my face with the foundation before I start blending it in. You want to make sure you bring the foundation down to your neck as well. Now, using that same concealer that you use for your lid, you're going to just hit your T-points in the face, just highlighting all the points that you want to be highlighted. So I set in my under eyes and stuff off camera because I like to do that before I start my contouring. As you can see now, I'm going in with my contour with this still being on my face. This contour is by Anastasia and in the color Earth. Now I'm just sweeping away that Ben Nye powder, making sure that everything is off the face. This Ben Nye powder just kind of helps making sure that your eyes, under eyes, don't crease. Now I'm just blending in that contour. With a nice fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out my nose contour. I find this way a little bit easier than using a beauty blender because it just allows you to really get in where you put the contour. I'm over here struggling putting on these eyelashes. God help me with these eyelashes. Now I'm just adding some mascara underneath the eyelashes to make sure I don't have no gaps when I look up or anything like that. Using an eyeliner pencil in the color black, I'm just making sure I hit my waterline to give my eyes more pop.
I can love you better than she can. I can love you, yeah, I can love you. I can love you better than she can. What did you see in her? 'Cause I used to be that girl. I was a down ass girl, a pretty little sexy ass girl.